In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a personalized signature to your marketing emails in HubSpot. A signature not only makes your emails look professional, but it also adds a personal touch that helps build trust with your contacts. Start by opening HubSpot and navigating to the Marketing section. Then go to Email. Choose the email you want to edit or create a new one. Once you're in the email editor, scroll to the spot where you want your signature to appear, typically at the bottom of your message. Next, look for personalization options. You can search for Signature or Personalize in the module options. HubSpot lets you add modules or sections, so you can include not just text, but also images, links, or even your company logo. To make it truly personalized, select a contact property, like the recipient's name or company, and combine it with your custom text. This way, each email can automatically include information that's unique to the person receiving it. Once you've designed your signature, save your changes and your email is ready to send. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can make your marketing emails more professional and personal using HubSpot's personalized signature feature. And that's how you add a personalized signature in HubSpot marketing emails. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.